When people grow, Jamaica grows.
This is an accepted wisdom. It is a truism to which the Jamaica Business Development Corporation, JBDC, subscribes. The corporation has the double mission of wanting to diversify micro-enterprises in the country and empower Jamaicans. To see this happen, the JBDC embarked on a leather craft and business development skills training program. From June 3 to July 31, 20 persons from inner city communities of St. Catherine were trained to skillfully turn leather into beautiful designs.
The various techniques of leather craft, from identification of the tools and materials as we mentioned, to measuring and cutting, a very important aspect of the program.
Another project, JSIF, has supported the training of 20 unattached youth to the tune of approximately $1.4 million. The participants were from Lauriston, Shelter Rock, and Central Village.
It was a happy day for the participants recently when they were treated to a closing out ceremony. Along with certificates, they were presented with startup leathercraft kits and course material, arming them with the tools to enter the business world of leathercraft making.
Every one of you have a skill that you can go out there and earn from. And because you are earning, people are going to look to you. People are going to look to you as an example. People are going to look to you as somebody who can do something for your community and in turn for Jamaica.
People will know about your products. People will demand your product. People will have a love for your product, have respect for your product if it's made with quality, if it's made with some kind of appeal in terms of the design, if it's priced correctly, competitively.
Being at this workshop, we saw talented, passionate, clean, self-driven, motivated, and creative pieces coming to life. JSIF, we thank you for taking the initiative and giving us this training. We are grateful for it, and you also show that you believe in the holistic development of an individual within the inner city communities that you represent.
If you would like to participate in the next Leathercraft and Business Development Skills Training Program, contact the JBDC. They're located at 14 Camp Road, Kingston, or call 928-516125.